What is DNS? How it affects your internet? You type in a website's name, and it opens almost instantly. Before the page even starts loading, DNS gets to work by finding the correct address for that website server, but how does it do that so quickly? What does DNS actually do? DNS works like the Internet's contact list. Instead of memorizing numbers called IP addresses, you use names like google.com, and DNS translates that name into the address computers understand. How does that translation happen? When you enter a web address, your device asks a DNS server for the website's IP address. As soon as it gets the answer, it knows which server to contact, allowing the web page to start loading. Where does this happen? This lookup takes only a fraction of a second and happens constantly. Without even realizing it, you use DNS every time you open a website, launch an app, or even use a streaming service connected to the internet. Does DNS make the internet faster? This is where many people get confused. DNS doesn't increase a website's download speed, but a faster DNS server can reduce the time it takes to find the correct address and start the connection. In summary, DNS is the system that translates website names into the addresses computers can locate. Without it, browsing the internet would be much less convenient because we'd have to remember long strings of numbers instead of easy-to-remember names.